Gold is not only the most precious of metals which has been sought after and honored throughout time by humanity, thousands of years BC saw its use in alchemy and medicine. Whilst translating medical records from Egypt, Samuel Hahnemann discovered knowledge which revealed the healing qualities of gold. These findings he incorporated into his newly formed homeopathic remedy. To accomplish this, he mixed leaf gold with lactose several times on a scale of 1 to 100, thus achieving one of the most important templates in homeopathy. He specifically underlined the importance of using pure gold leaf and not a metal which has been processed through chemical reactions. In his work, A Guide to Chronic Illnesses, this Aurum foliatum, or rather Aurum Hahnemanni as it is known, is of natural origin and therefore differing to other descriptions which were first transcribed in official remedy handbooks. The HAB defines this procedure using the mixture of gold which has been procured by combining tetrachloride gold acid with iron sulfate to create a chemical reaction. This deflection from Hahnemann's original approach surely leads to a different outcome in the medicinal qualities of this remedy, which is why we strictly abide by rules applied by Hahnemann in our laboratory. Therefore we can truly offer Aurum Hahnemanni to our customers.
Okay.